back to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to be skateboarding. So, right now you're sitting on my old skateboard, and I found it and I said, should I get a new skateboard? Because this is the one that I used when I was 2. My dad had a car crash, with a skateboard, and that's why I stopped doing it until I found out. Okay, so this was my old skateboard, not this one. I just got this. I just found this a few days ago. Sorry. And this is it. That is my tiny little skateboard, and this one, compared to this one I'm on, is way bigger. It's hectic. So make sure you don't have any. And now let's start skateboarding. Time to learn how to do it, hey? Okay. I'll teach you. This is a video for beginners. Okay, I'll teach you for sure, because I love you guys. You have to throw 6 and subscribe. Okay, see these legs? If you're right-handed, put to your right foot, face it to the left, and put the back foot facing, so put the back foot up that, and the front foot like that, and then start going back. So make sure you're good. Okay, and then when you start going straight as soon as you get in that position. Okay.